my first drone, the Hubsan X4 H107. I had one of the absolute earliest versions. Back in 2014, after seeing my first news report on drones, I had to have a drone, so I bought this one as soon as I could. I learned some very valuable lessons with this little guy. First of all, I learned to read the instructions before sticking a drone into the air, which is what I didn't do the first time I flew it. I actually set it up backwards and I launched it into my chest. Second, I learned that it would crash quite a lot. Learning how to fly this type of drone was a challenge. And finally, I also learned about the internal components of a drone by taking this one apart. I can't say enough good things about this drone because it was such a great experience and learning tool. Very simple and yet complex in what it could do. It sure makes one appreciate what a drone can do and cannot do. Just check out my crash videos of one of my first flights. I hit the gutter. Now, I've seen different versions of this drone sold on eBay for as low as $39.99 up to $58.98. But be sure if you buy this drone to buy some extra batteries.